Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to use Lido. What is actually a Lido app? Basically, Lido is a leading multi-chain liquidity staking protocols that provides stackers with a simple way to earn yield on a range of assets. And staking ensure that you have assets that remain liquid and can be used across the range of DeFi application to earn extra yield. So how does staking with Lido work? Basically, when you start with Lido, user receive a token, Ethereum token, on 1:1 basis, representing their stakes Ethereum, and the Ethereum balances can be used by a regular Ethereum to earn yield and lending rewards, and they are updated on a daily basis to reflect your Ethereum staking rewards. No minimum deposit over there when you're staking with Lido. So, and what are the high risk? What are the risks you're gonna go with Lido? There exists a number of potential risks when staking Ethereum using liquid staking protocols, and there is an Ethereum risk that Lido could contain a smart contract vulnerability or bug. And the Lido code is open source, audited, and covered by an extra bug bounty program to minimize this risk. So let's really get into it. Let's see the interface. So here we go. This is actually interface, a landing page of Lido. Just all you have to go simply go on Google and type lido.com. You will see a landing page like this. Let me show you how it's gonna work. What's the basic application? First, you will see a lot of different options in the top: network, node operators, governance, analytics, developers, community, about. So you will see a lot of different options, and when you click on that, just simply drag your mouse on network. Not gonna click, just simply drag on that. You will see the options of different assets, different ones: Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Osama, Polygon, and referral program. These are different assets, these are different program. You're gonna join that one. So the liquidity for stake assets, simplified and secure staking for digital asset. We have a total asseting of $5 billion, almost $5 billion, and the total reward pay is gonna $2,027, and the staker are now using is 230,000. These are the total network worth of this platform. And the supported networks that Lido lets you stake tokens from many networks. Choose the network below to get started. These are the networks I told you above, and these are the different assets like Ethereum. Stake an amount of Ethereum, earn daily easy reward, and user Ethereum across the DeFi ecosystem. So you will see the ratio, the 5.6 APR is the ratio that, like, you will see moving average. This is the average for 7 days period, for the last 7 days period, and how it's gonna score and how is the popularity of this Ethereum. So this only 5.6%, and the stake is almost like 5 billion. Even a go, or the second one is Solana, with have the additional reward that you have the work across the Solana ecosystem. It have a lot of ratio, 8.7% APR ratios, that you have a lot of that. And when you talk about the Polygon have 6.3%. Basically, when you differentiate first three one, you have to go with Solana have a high percent average. But the other thing, talk about the popularity, the stake point. The number one is like Ethereum, not Solana and Polygon. They have a high network worth than Solana and Polygon. Unfortunately, they have average it's become low on that platform on Ethereum, now with Solana and Polygon. And the last two is Polkadot and Kusama. They have the highest in average of 5 and 12.7%, and with the Kusama is only 6.9. So it's a high average person, and again, Polkadot and Kusama have lowest number of stacks. So I'm gonna go with the average. I'm gonna go with the bottom of that. Most later scoreboard is Ethereum. Ethereum is the top one. Doesn't matter. It's only on a 5.6%. It's average of 5.6. Now you have to talk about. You have to look at the stack points. What was that? It's all $5 billion. It's way better than that. That's way better than all these coins, Polkadot, Solana, and Polygon. These are the network blockchain. They're way better than that, in my opinion. So you will see a lot of different, and you will see how Lido works. Lido builds state-of-the-art liquid staking protocols to grow the staking economy. Lido lets users to stake their assets for daily staking rewards. User can take any amount with token with no minimum. Stacking these Lido, you mint stack tokens which are issued 1:1 to your initial stake, and your stake token can be only used across the DeFi ecosystem, and it lets you to stake asset that is collateral. And for landing armor, when using this lure, you will receive a stacking rewards in the real time, and also could you also have to stake tokens across the defi system with any lockups. And Leader DAO is a community base that builds liquid stake services and governs the direction of Lido. The numbers of DAO participants is growing daily with contributors working together to build the future of Lido. So you will see the option of Lido DAO. What was that? Is actually a governed liquid staking protocols. You will go with apply to the node property, and you will only have to read the premise. Upon you gonna go that, and you will see a growing Lido ecosystem. Lido empower stackers to put the stake asset to use, Explorer app, and service entry integrated with Lido. So you will see a lot of different assets. Stake Ether, Curve, MakerDAO, AAVE, Ledger, SushiSwap, Oxcan, OneEdge, MetaMask, and much more. These are a bunch of different options. These are the and when you go with the audits, different audit, you will see the Oscario, Shema, and Osario. These are different audits you can that's been audited by the industry leaders in the blockchain security. So you will see the stable leader later provides liquid study for the following protocols. Again, these are the averages. You will see a lot of average is I think is a Polkadot. Gotcha. So for the blog, you will see a lot of different videos, the templates over there, and you can also join the community with Telegram, Discord, research forum, Twitter, GitHub, and blog. So this is how you can use. You can go with that platform. Later you can use the receive token on by stack by on a daily basis to reflect your reward, and you get your reward. If you like that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.